Mel from Thompson Leisure. We're just going to take you a wee walk around with our new Rapido I66 ALDE, 180 horsepower, plenty under the bonnet. So we'll take a wee look around and I'll show you what we have. So, large gas compartment. You can have 2 large gas bottles in there. Another unique feature that Rapido have would be a safety feature where you can drive with the gas on. Yes, it's not recommended, but in the event that there's a wee bump or two, the gas will shut off. You also have the underfloor storage. Now this is right through the whole van, and whenever we get to the other side of the van, you'll see the other trap door. Now, this garage is like another bedroom. It's as big as they come and will take 300 kilos in the back. You also have then your outside shower for those who are daring. You have your reverse camera at the back. Into this locker here, which I'll have the keys, should have had opened, amateur mistake, is your toilet box. This here is also for the underfloor storage, which we've seen on the far side, and in there is where your boiler is. Hi folks, when I were inside the van out of the cool air, we can have a look at the cab here. So new Fate steering wheel multifunctioning. You have all your cruise control, speed limiter, Bluetooth all on. You also have a large Pioneer screen, so that'll have your reverse camera, your sat nav, DAB radio, along with your automatic cab aircon, along with plenty of USBs and 12 volts. Another cool feature then, you have your induction phone charger, so you just set your phone on without having other leads busy around the cab. So throughout this van being the Ultimate line, you also have this lovely Ultimate Nacara leatherette, which is complemented by your Nacara wood. You'll have a look at this lovely finish. You have your split table in the living area. Moving back again, you have your, like I said, outside you also have your 4 belts, and they'll pop out underneath the seats here as well. Another good feature then on the van is you can now house a 32-inch TV. Yes, I'll say that again, it's 32 in a motorhome. And just above here then you have your new touch control panel and your ALDE heating. You also have your new lights, where they have Rapido very kindly put in your USB chargers along with your speakers for the rear of the van. So again, you can listen to any type of music you like, really. Then above your driving area, then that is your drop down bed for the 4th berth. So as you can see, this is your bed drop down above the cab. Lovely spacious airy feeling to it. You have your skylight there too, along with your lights. This is your kitchen, folks. So you've got your 3 gas burners, and your larger sink. Again, plenty of storage throughout this whole van. And another unique feature, rather than having a locking bar, they've added a nice wee touch there of an electric locker. Moving on back, then you have your oven and grill combined, just slight above your Dometic separate fridge freezer. And another cool feature is you have your inbuilt vacuum cleaner. Welcome back, folks, come on and have a look. You have your separate shower and toilet. You have your lovely duckboard at the bottom too. So on the other side then you have your toilet. So even a large fella like me, plenty of room, and you have a lovely wee heater here as well. This is the bedroom. This is, as they say, where the magic happens. So this is 2 large single beds, and will also convert into a large double too, where you would sleep either lengthways or across the way, depending on how you're feeling. Down here then, again, this is like your thermostat at home. You can control the ALDE heating as well. Just coming down off the bed here, you'll see you have plenty of storage. For those who like to play hide and seek, you have plenty of spaces. And in the cold winter nights then, you'll have your 230 volt ALDE warm water floor heating, just to keep them wee feet warm. So that's it, folks. That's your Distinction I66 in all its glory. If you want to know any more information, don't hesitate to get in touch. My details are just here. See you later.